Oh, okay.
Hi,
Oh, hello.
can you listen to me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, so hi, my name is Tasneem, and today probably we're sitting on this meeting because of probably you have social medias to promote, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so do you have any questions?
I wanted to know how it works. Sorry, wait a minute.
Okay, so
How it works with
let me
you
see
because
your
I've
page
never.
once.
Okay.
Then I'll just give you a brief, answer that whatever you need to do. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Just give me a moment, okay?
no problem. אני חוזרת אלייך, אני בזום.
So you are an interior designer, am I right?
Yeah,
Okay, so your page, it seems like you have very less followers on your page.
yeah.
Oh, your designs are pretty nice. I must say that.
Thank you. I actually closed just now, the new client.
Hmm?
And yeah, I would like to make a good promotion. I did promotion that wasn't so effective.
Yeah.
So I
Probably
wanted to
because
know
you
what can
didn't
I do.
promote properly, because there are ways to promote your social medias. If we don't promote, properly, then things don't work like we need to work, like they
Yeah.
need to work. So what we can do, see, for your social media, currently we can start by doing organic promotions, such as we should add some tags and all other things that a post needs to get, fulfill itself. Okay, so we can do that very first, and then my friend here who will be, assisting you for everything. And
Mm-hmm.
first we will optimize your page. We will see what are the lackings are there available in your page, and then we will solve that. And eventually, when once your page is getting optimized, then slowly we will just do all the other sort of thing. For example, we can run Facebook ads, we can do organic promotions. It is actually depends on your budget, that how much you can spend. We can work the best according to that.
And how much you recommend me, like how much I need to pay you, and how much do you recommend me to spend on the
Okay,
like
so
promoting?
yeah, our monthly budget is usually $200 for a, or for one person. For example, for a page, and suppose for a Instagram page and a Facebook page. But because
For how
you are
long?
just for a month, but because you are just starting, my friend here, he told me that he wants to give you a discount, so you are getting a straight 50% discount. So it will be $100 per month for you. And if we can work for a long time, then we will decide in the future that what happens, because you can only pay us when you're getting results, am I right?
So I pay you at the end of the month, like if I see results.
No, for the beginning you have to pay for example, this month you're paying us $100 per month, right? So before starting the work you have to pay us, for example, 50% as an advanced amount. And later, if later after the work, at the month end, you will pay the rest $50. So that's
Yeah.
how we work. And about the ads and all, that's for that we have to do some more research, because we don't currently know what is your competitors. So we have to first analyze your competitor, how much they are spending, what are your targeted audience that we need to target them, and we have to focus all that. Have to get a proper research, then we can tell you the exact price what you can spend. But my recommendation will be, first we do things organically, like your social medias should be promoted in throughout the all other social medias, for example, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all other social
Yeah,
medias
I don't have
wherever
LinkedIn.
we can promote.
I have Instagram, Facebook, and a
No problem, we will
website.
promote that. It is just the
And
promotion part, you
how?
don't
And
have to
I need
be
to bring
everywhere.
you. And for the promotion, I
Yeah,
need to give you my credit card, or can it be like, because I
no,
don't know you, you look like very, very
yeah,
nice person, but because I don't know you, so maybe we will make like I will pay it, but maybe after, like,
yeah, yeah. Of course, I
maybe
can
you pay
totally
it and then I
understand
make
your concern,
transfers.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Let me make things clear for you. So, what happens if when we are running ads, okay, it can be run through even our credit cards or your credit card, it doesn't matter. But the thing is, you can add credit card into your ad account. We won't be able to see any kind of payment information you are adding into your ads account. Then you have to give us the manager access, which is a very simple process. In our next meeting, if we are proceeding, you know, I will just explain you every single detail one by one, so you can clear out all your, what does it say, confusions. Of course, I can totally understand nobody wants to give their cards access to a stranger. I can totally, understand that. But I will make sure nothing happens to you, and I will let you know each and every process. Like you can verify all those things multiple times from wherever you want. That is not a big problem. Initially, what we will need is your pages access, so that we will be needing the permission to post in your page, or for example to change the cover photos, sometimes maybe sometimes the captions. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
So initially we need to do that, then we will promote organically, we will optimize your upcoming all the posts and your previous posts as well. We will optimize your page, then later only we will think about the ads. And for the ads, the budget we will tell you later, because currently we are not sure about your competitors yet.
Okay. And Sojib told me that
Mhm.
he can guarantee like a 1,000 followers organic, like real.
Yeah, you can get the 1000 follower is nothing when we're using ads and all. We can do much more than that, but just for assurance, he told you
No,
about the
but I just
1000.
wanted to know that if it's real followers or
Yeah, it's
like.
it's gonna be definitely real followers according to your targeted audience. See, once we're doing ads, we're targeting the specific people who can be your audience. Okay, so when we're targeting them, only they will be able to like your page or follow your page.
Okay.
Do you think it sounds good? Okay, then I think we can proceed, man. Do you have any other question? I'm always, answerable to you.
Where are you from? You from India?
No, I'm from Bangladesh. It's
Bangladesh.
a country beside India. We're neighbors.
I know Bangladesh.
No,
Bangladesh.
maybe you get a
Okay.
lot of mail from all over the world.
I hope so.
Definitely, and I hope that you get a lot more clients than now you are getting.
I
Because
hope
other
so.
than
But
that, work goes on.
focus on the Israeli, focus on the Israeli audience.
Yeah, yeah, we will
I'm still
definitely do that.
small.
No, no. Before doing anything, we will definitely have a discussion with you, right? So
Okay.
we will do everything according to you only.
Okay. And how I pay you the money? Bank transfer or
Do you
like
have PayPal?
I have Bit.
Uh,
If
okay,
well,
Bit.
maybe no, it's not international.
Are
It's
you?
international.
I don't know. I haven't heard about it, but we have multiple international payment system. Don't worry, we will get something. Like for example, if you have card, you can pay through Payoneer, and also there are multiple other things as well. We will
I
find it
can
out.
do a bank transfer.
Yeah, bank transfer you can do, but international bank transfer is a very hassle thing. It is a big hassle. But we will figure something
Mm.
out. Don't worry about that. First,
Okay.
then let me know whatever payment methods you use, then we will figure out that how we can receive the money. Then we can start working, and everything will be according to you only.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And for any kind of assistance, any questions, you can always reach out to me. What kind of social media you are using?
Facebook, Instagram, and website.
Okay, then I'll reach you on Facebook. Then you can
What is
ask me
your
anything over
number?
there. Oh, number? You mean my Facebook ID?
No, like I text on WhatsApp with
WhatsApp? You
Sujib.
want my WhatsApp number? Okay, just let me give. I'll just write my WhatsApp number. Give me a moment.
Are you working on Fiber?
Mm, Currently, we're not working on Fiverr because Fiverr has all these policy issues where they cut, straight 25%. That's a big hassle. But if you have any doubt, I can clear it out anytime.
No, it's okay. You look very nice.
I guess so. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp. You can always text me over there, and I'll be answering any kind of questions you have. Is it all right?
Okay, so what we do now?
First, we have to figure out the payment procedure, how we're going to proceed with the payments. And then my friend Shajib, we will take the access of your page or Instagram, whatever it is. And then we will discuss further. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And you will not have any kind of communication errors as of I am here. So feel free about anything.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, man. Then I'll see you later then. Okay.
Bye.
Bye
Have a nice
bye.
day. Bye
Have a
bye.
nice day.